It's 7 a.m. I want to have breakfast and I'm having coffee. Oh, this is a tea bag. Yeah, I'm having a black coffee and sweet potatoes. Life update. My bed is coming in today. Also, I'm hosting my sister Val today. She'll come in later. So what I want to do is I want to go to the showroom where the bed is. I'll take you guys with me. Of course, I'd ordered for it, but I want to see if it's the real thing that I ordered for. So we're just gonna have coffee and then head to the showroom. So let's do this. My hair looks bad. Yeah, let's have coffee and then go. This is what I'm having. I can't have cereals because guess what? I wake up in the morning and I want to like have cereals and then I realize I do not have milk. So this is what I made. And I'm gonna have it with tea and then I'll get more bring some. You're welcome. This is my final look. My hair. I've not installed the hair, so I'm just having the bun up. And yeah, I wanna go.
Starting to think that you're talking too much. I like how we just met, and I'm not even slightly afraid to be opening up. I like that.
My neighbor is having a washing machine installed, so they're at the balcony, and my balcony door is open, so it's that loud. You hear me? Anyway, let's keep moving.
Yeah, that'd be alright. You look in my eyes, and I already hope this lasts. Trying hard not to jump, not to move too fast. But we could go all in. We could be in love by the end of the night. Sitting here talking, kissing your lips and I'm coming alive. But we can start running, make a list of ways that the time just isn't right. Or we could go all in. Yeah, we could be in love by the end of the night. By the end of the night. I like that nervous look on your face when you're starting to think that you're talking too much. I like how we just met, and I'm not even slightly afraid to be opening up. I like that we've been sitting here, hands moving around the clock.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today is on Monday and I was at my friend's place yesterday. I expected to come back home, but I didn't come back home, so I'm just getting home right now. But these are some of the things that I got when I went to visit her from the shop that we went to yesterday. There was a big sale. I'm meant to understand that there are, how is it called, Black Friday sales or basement sales during from 3rd November to I don't know when. So yesterday I had gone to my friend's place and there was a sale at how is it called, this mall along Thika Road, Garden City Mall basement. So yeah, let me show you the things that I got. Shop zetu, yeah. I got pretty amazing clothes from Shop Zetu. I think this is a Kenyan brand, and when I tell you, everything is amazing. It is amazing. So I got this tank top from them. Look at the fabric. Like, look at the fabric. So yeah, that's, I don't know how much I got it. Okay, let's see how much I got it. 900. The original price was 900. For the sale, I can't remember how much I got it for, but it's giving. It's giving. Call me right now. It's giving. So this is one thing I got. The second thing that I got is this play suit. Look at that. How pretty. This is going at 1,000 bob. When I'm in these things, you have no idea. Something else that I got is this as well. This trouser. This was going at 1,950. I love the pleats down here, like you have no idea. The fabric is the same as the other one. The one that I showed you for the tank top is nice. Also, I got this tank top from them as well. This one, it's a gray tank top. It looks so pretty. This one was going at 950. So beautiful. So those are the things that I got from Shop Zetu, not Hope. Shop Zetu. I think it's a brand, a Kenyan brand, part of Vivo. So yeah, that's what I got. And also something that I got that I'm excited about. Let me show you guys. This is something else that I got that I love. This is everything to me. Like, oh my god. Oh my
Walking
god.
away.
And I got it at a very,
Your words are lost on me.
price was
It's taking everything.
shillings, but
Not to
I
turn
got
around.
it at a discounted price, which was good. And
Throw it away.
I just want to open it with you.
See if you'll let go of me
See?
when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I'm up all day, all night, we playing our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes. Everything was on the line. Didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No, I can't rewind the time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose this.
love it. I love it. Oh my god. So guys, unfortunately my gas is fully electrical and I couldn't use it. Even though I've unboxed it, I still can't use it because I need an electrician to come and fix some of the stuff in it so that I can start using it. But I'm super grateful for having it. It was my dream cooker and I got it, and I can't be more grateful, you know. Anyway, now I want to sleep. The electrician will come on Saturday in the morning, but I also have lunch that same Saturday. I'm going for a friend's restaurant lunch, so yeah, I don't know how that is gonna play out, but hopefully, because I'm supposed to go to my friend's, actually it's my sister's restaurant lunch by around 9 a.m, but I'm not sure when the electrician will come, and he will only come, he's only available on Saturday, so I don't know how that is gonna play out. I'm thinking of leaving my key with the caretaker so that when he comes he can like open the door and like just show him. But also I'm thinking I should be there when it's being done so that I can know a few things in it. So I don't know, but we'll figure it out. He will come on Saturday. Today is on Monday at night. I'm also expecting my gas, not my gas, sorry, my fridge to come. So yeah, and my seats. I'm just like furnishing the house a little bit, like step by step. I'm not in a hurry, so yeah, thank God though. So I don't like the cereals. This one. But my friend likes it. So she's the one who convinced me to like buy this one. But I won't buy it next time. Or if I buy it, I'll buy the other one. The one that I like. So I don't like it because it has too much how is it called, chocolate, and I feel like it's The taste is I don't know how to explain it. It has a certain taste that I don't like. Also, it doesn't like soak. So this is just how it is. It doesn't soak. Whether you put hot milk or warm milk or cold milk, it doesn't soak. So yeah, I don't like that. Anyway, this is what I'm having for breakfast, and later I'll have some of the mandarin and maybe tea. It's actually early in the morning, like 8 a.m. I'm super excited. Like, I can't wait to see my fridge. I don't know why they haven't called. They told me they'll deliver it in the morning, and up until now they haven't called me yet. And I was up early in the morning, like I'm ready to vlog and show you guys everything, but when it comes I'm going to show you. Also, I want to do a vlogmas. I have ideas of the things I want to do, but I don't know how it's going to be because I'm just one person. My friends, okay, and maybe my friend, but she also has exams next week. So basically, in this vlog, I'm gonna be the vlogmas. You'll maybe see one or two people once in a while, but the whole thing I'll just do it on my own. Also, my house, update on my house. I have the cooker, you guys are gonna already see, and the fridge is coming, the bed already came. So the only thing that is left is the sitting room that I was taking my time with. Maybe by January, I'll be already done with like finishing the house and everything. But I love it. I just thank God that I'm able to like do this right now, even though it was really hard. I've had really tough times, but I'm super grateful to God. God, I hope you know how much I'm grateful, and I thank you for everything. Like, I didn't know this would be possible for me. The things that I wanted to do this year, I wanted my YouTube to be monetized. It was monetized. I wanted to move to another house. Like, I wanted to move out alone. I already moved out from my parents' house when I was like, and now I was like living with my sisters, my younger sisters, and now I just wanted to like have my own place, like just me alone and stuff. And I did it. Those are the things I wanted to do this year. And travel, yeah. I traveled to Diani this year. Although I wanted to like travel outside the country, I couldn't do that because I was actually really busy this year, like really busy. So let's get into the December mode, and I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Once the fridge comes, I'll show you guys, and then I'll end the vlog and see you in the Vlogmas series. I can't wait. I'm super excited. So guys, I just got a call from the delivery guys. My fridge is on its way. I can't wait to see it, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. Like, I just love it. I went for a one door, but it's so pretty. Like, the color, the black and gray just matches. Like, it's so beautiful. I just love it, and it's good for a one person. I can't wait for you guys to see. Let's wait for that. Let's go, guys. We are downstairs.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show
this. This feeling, I'm super excited. Thank you guys for staying tuned for this video. The fridge is here. I've already shown you guys everything. I'm just gonna get a microwave and I'll put it up on top of the fridge. That will go so well with my kitchen. Like, I can't say much, but just to say thank you to everyone that is involved in all this. Like, oh baby, oh my god. Anyway, we've come to the end of this vlog. Stay tuned for Vlogmas. I want to give you 25 days of vlogging. Today's on the 2nd, so this video will go up probably on the 3rd, which is tomorrow. I'm gonna stay indoor and just edit and stuff so that we can start on the Vlogmas series. Anyway, love you guys. Go and watch my other videos, the ones that already posted. We had a problem with the copyright, so I've been like changing, like working on the copyrights on my videos and stuff. So love you guys. Ciao, see you in the next video.